Good morning. Good morning. This is Brenda Salzano from Salzano's on Spoonflower. This is a do-it-yourself cut and sew. It comes on one fat quarter. You get 2 little bags that you're going to make. The supplies you'll need is 2 grommets for the holes and 2 snaps to make it a snap-on bag. That way you can snap it onto your dog leash or a backpack or whatever you want to use these little bags for. The instructions are really simple. You'll cut out all the pieces, iron the tab in half. That's these little things. And sew them up, and then you fold that in half, cut it in half, and you'll have, or not cut it in half, but you'll have 2 tabs, one for each little bag. And this tells you how to do it right on the fabric, how to do everything. And if you've never put in a little grommet, you're just going to make a circle. I use one of these as a template. And then I cut an X in the center. And then you put one on the bottom, one on the top, and you snap them down together. I will show you the finished product when it's done. Okay, I was going to show you the finished product after I gave you general instructions on this do-it-yourself cut and sew. These are the little dog bags, or whatever kind of bag you want to use it for. I made them for little dog bags. Here I just have some paper stuffed in one. This is the grommet after it's all installed. And the little snap-on. This was the main side of the bag. And like I said, you can snap this on anything. A backpack, if you're going fishing. And I want to keep something in there for your fishing trip. And you don't have to put the grommet on. You could do anything you want with this. You could make a little velcro pocket, so you just open the flap and your things are inside. And you get 2 of them. The other one that I have available, and I haven't made this one yet, is this one here with my most popular fly fishing lures, and it even has the name of some of the lures on there. If you get it in the large print. If it's the small print, you won't be able to see the words. And then that's the little backing. And like I said before, you're going to lay your pieces out after you cut them out, right sides together. And then you're going to make sure that when you make this tab, that's this little part here, you can see how I've already folded this, hemmed one side, and then I folded down so there's no raw edges. And inside, when you get this all folded in it and everything, when you get that sewed and folded, you're going to put the raw edges. It'll be double like this. You're going to have the raw edges out of the bag, and make sure you place it wherever you want, whatever corner, wherever you decide you want this to be. Of course, when you do this, you're going to have your little snap-on thing on the side of it. So it'd be like that, right sides together. You're going to already have the grommet in, and then you'll fold it up. And once that grommet's in, you've got your tab made, you need the raw edges out, and you're going to cut it. You're going to sew around, just leaving an opening so that you can turn it inside out. And one more quick rewind on the grommet. You have 2 parts of the grommet. These I got off of Amazon. They're probably for curtains. And one side is going to clip down over the top of the other. And this with the lip on it is the bottom side. So what I did is I just made a template of this, and I made a little circle wherever you want to place it on the inside. And that's where then I cut a cross, I cut it, and then I cut out the little hole. And then it'll fit over the top of this, right down. You'll be able to push it down and have it this way, and then it'll be like this, and that little lip and hole will be showing through here. And then this will fit right over the top. You push it really hard, and it'll snap together. Then you have your little snap permanently on there. It's handy and fast, and it doesn't cost very much. You get 2 little bags per pack order. And that's it. That's that quick little tip for this little Paw-Ket bags. And I hope that will do for some gift giving on your list this year, or for yourself, or for your loved ones, Or maybe you're going to make them and sell them at the craft fair. You have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.